Hello, peeps. Today I will be doing stuff. Yeah, it's so interesting. No. One zero. One zero. 1 4. Oh my god, are you really gonna get that out to me? I'm getting trolled. It's my trade? Are you kidding me? Let's do... No. Are you kidding me, dude? You really want that? Okay, no, you already did that. Are you kidding me? Thanks. It's totally a better. No problem, it's totally better. What are you gonna say? Oh well. My den. Your list sucks. That was it. Yeah, totally a beta. Yeah. Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. Oh my god, this is awesome. Kind of creepy, but I like it. Okay, I love the color on this. I love gray. Okay, peeps. I don't know what to say about this. That's just... Is that Five Nights at Freddy's sticking his tongue out? I'm going to like this. This is cool. Cool little... Let's go see if my scammer's on. Let's see. Where's my scammer? It's not on. She's not on. What about Black Sheep? Yeah, she had scammed me a long time ago. But then she gave it back and she wouldn't talk to me. So, I'm gonna reward her. What is the difference with the igloo and the rare igloo? The rare igloo isn't even there. I have it. This is my Flappy Eagle. I totally do not need my Flappy Eagle. Where is my Flappy? Blech. Here, have a bunny fence. Yeah, I don't need a bunny fence. Are you kidding me? What is up with that? What is up with that? Is my friendly YouTuber on? Who are you? Oh. Where's she at? That's not her. This is Zelda's. This is Zelda's morning. Oh, let's go try to get you. Oh, wait, what? You're in the same world as me. What? Oh, fashion. Oh, okay. Okay. I just switched it to dark mode, so that's why it looks so different. Watermish? Watermish! Oh my god. Hi, Watermish. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god, I never noticed it was Watermish. Oh, you have a Blackwood stick? Oh my god. This is the best art in the entire universe. My god. Shop King, where you at, bro? Okay, I know. He had actually gifted me during a live, and then everyone started freaking out. And then I showed it was actually the same music. I'm trying, I wanted to show him a magenta eyeball hat that I think he can use for a video, but I'm super embarrassed, so I wanted to. Here, you can have an old hood. Are you kidding me? Look at all those chickens. What chickens? I see no chickens. I'm super confused. I see no chickens. Let's pause this for a while and just have time to myself. I'm recording meh. And it's he doesn't make sense. Excuse me, I'm not a. He don't make sense. I want this bow. Or the bow and arrows. Either one I'm fun with. I like trains. That's what you say when you're on a video. I like trains, peeps. Okay, just before I want to say one thing. Yeah. It was all scam. Or I'm kicking you out or something like that. Or green cover coat. Exactly. I changed the list a little. Yeah, we noticed. Yeah, we noticed it. No one likes him as much as himself. Yeah, we know. So you can check it if you want. Check it. 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 Wait, how do I want that Arctic box. I want it. Okay, first thing is a phantom, peeps. And then, if it just ends in nowhere, time probably ran out or something. Cause, with what I'm using, it'll, run out at any time. I don't like it either. I just need to stick with it. Let's see how much phantom stuff